Many truck owners struggle with the limitations of their factory beds, which can be too small or not suited for specific hauling needs. I've been there myself, trying to fit bulky items into a bed that's just not designed for it. It's frustrating, but today I'm going to show you a solution. The stock bed just doesn't cut it when you need to haul large or unusual items. Whether you're a contractor, a landscaper, or just someone who loves to take on DIY projects, having a flatbed can be a game changer. You can use it to haul plywood, lumber, or even help a friend move. The possibilities are endless. But it's not just about the functionality. A flatbed can also give your truck a rugged, customized look that's sure to turn heads. And the best part is, you don't need to be a professional welder or fabricator to build one. The process might seem intimidating, but trust me, with the right guidance, you can build a sturdy and functional flatbed that'll serve you well for years to come. We'll cover the materials you'll need, the tools required for assembly, and step-by-step instructions to build a sturdy flatbed. First, you'll need to gather your materials, including steel plate, angle iron, and some basic hand tools. Don't worry if you're not sure what any of these things look like. I'll cover that in a minute. The tools you'll need are pretty standard: a welder, a drill press, and some safety gear. If you're new to welding, don't worry. I'll give you some tips on how to get started. Once you've got all your materials and tools, we can move on to the assembly process. This is where things can get a little tricky, but stick with me and you'll see how it's done. Watch as we demonstrate the final assembly and reveal the finished flatbed, showcasing its features and functionality. As you can see, the finished product is sturdy and strong, with plenty of space for hauling large items. The flatbed is designed to be easy to install and remove, so you can use it as needed. And with its rugged, durable construction, you can bet it will withstand even the toughest jobs. One of the best things about this flatbed is its versatility. You can customize it to fit your specific needs. Want to add some toolboxes or a winch? No problem. The finished flatbed is a huge upgrade from the stock bed, and I'm excited to put it to use. Whether you're hauling heavy equipment or just need a reliable way to transport large items, this flatbed has got you covered. To wrap up, we've explored the process of building a flatbed and the benefits it brings to your pickup truck. With a little bit of effort and some basic DIY skills, you can turn your truck into a versatile workhorse that's ready for anything. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a comment and check out our next video on customizing your truck's accessories.